Hi guys, let's go south today. Let's visit the Faithful Farmstead. Working from road ako kaya less videos, but the road going there are all okay. It's all concrete, but until you reach this point. Papasok na to sa farm, so medyo hindi pa siya concrete, but keep going lang guys. Medyo challenging siya, pero kaya nyo yan. Don't worry guys, inaayos na yung daan, but that area is just less than 200 meters. As in, malapit na lang talaga siya. And here we are. Let's go bond with nature. Hi, Mingming. We're here at the Faithful Farmstead. So that's their gate. And this is the main house. Pasok lang tayo saglit. Ito yung sala. Galing ako sa likod actually. And here's their room. Ganda. So cute. So dito nag-i-stay yung owner when they're in the farm. Ayun, share ko lang. Buti shinare nila sa akin. So, let's go back outside. Ayan yung sa recreational area. So, pwede mag-basketball and also the kids can play over there. Malawak yung area, guys. And it's so refreshing. See, it's all green. Sarap sa mata. There you can sit and feel the fresh air. Ayan, ang lawak ng area, guys. So, you can bring your friends and family over here. And there's a few dalandan trees over here and may mga bunga na yan. So you can ask the owner if you will stay here and want to experience harvesting and buy them also. And over there is where will you stay if you will visit the Faithful Farmstead. Tara, lapitan natin yung area. That's the pool. And ito yung container house. And here it is guys, the container home and the bahay kubo. Sarap tumambay dyan guys. And you know, may duyan din. Dyan natin. Oh. So this is the bahay kubo. Ay, ang cute! There you go. Ay, may hagdan siya. Cute pag family ka. Imagine yourself in it, guys. Pang IG yung place. And there's also a small river or stream sa baba nung place. So, let's go check it out. So, with me is the owner, Sir Ronnie, and Sir Pat, our colleague also. So, dati may railing daw dyan, kaso lang nasira na. So, tinanggal na lang nila muna. They will plan to put some railing on it. So, pag punta kayo dito and medyo mahina yung sikmura nyo sa medyo mataas na lugar and mahina na yung tuhod nyo, wag na lang kayo mababa. No, but the view on the river is worth it, guys. So, if you really want to check the place, go down and check the stream. But, safety first. So, if nag-aalangan kayo, wag na kayong bumaba, okay? But, continue to watch para makita nyo kung gaano gaganda yung nakita namin sa baba and also the details regarding this farm. Ito. Wow. Wow. Namakan pa na si Sir. Tabi-tabi po. So peaceful.
Picture tayo. Pareho, sama yun. Selfie. Ganda, share mo sa akin yan. Pabilibuan pa.
Ganda. So peaceful. Gandang magtambay here and magkape. Bakit na ulit. So ano pa ba ang pwede nating gawin when we stay here? Pwede tayong mag-airsoft gun shooting. Pero bring your own. Pahiram lang sa amin yan. Wala. Wala akong video eh. Pero natamaan ko yan. Yan. Saka yan. Ay, lahat pala halos sila. And we can do also biking kung may dala kayong bike. Basta wag nyo lang daanan yung mga pananim, okay? And I enjoyed that kahit saglit lang. Kasi parang nasa probinsya ka lang. So pag matumba ka, hindi yan masakit kasi lupa lang yan at saka may mga damo. Not like in the city when it's all concrete. And you can swim here also. Or enjoy the flowers, the vegetables, and the fruits in the area. And for more details, follow their Facebook page, The Faithful Farmstead, and be updated for their promos. Nasa Airbnb na rin sila guys. So let's go!